Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island southwest of New Haven, CTPORT, Jefferson, New York, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds over 35 knots 6 nautical miles northeast of Upper New York Harbor.